You guys, I think she murdered it. It's somewhere in there. Kitty?
Close where you can see her.
Kitty.
You'll find her. And then
Okay, well, if she's eating it, I'm gonna be fine with it because, well, I'm not gonna be too fine with it because then I'm gonna have it. Where is it? Where is that catnip? Where is it? Well, yeah.